Today, we're going to be transforming this dead space in our bedroom into a fully custom wardrobe using only IKEA PAX. And we'll take you on the full transformation, turning it from this into this. And at the end, I'll break down all of the costs and show you how we've managed to actually get all of this for free. So the first thing we had to do on this project was measure up the space that we're working with and then try and work out what we actually wanted to put in the space. To do this, we used IKEA's own PAX design planner, which is honestly a great tool if you're trying to work out what to do with your space. It has everything in there, and as you go through the process, you can work out exactly what you need, exactly what finish you want, and it will also flag up if anything won't actually fit together as you might have thought it might. But once you know what you want, you can add all of those items to your basket, and it's as simple as that. Alright, so there we have it. What do you guys think of it? I honestly couldn't be happier with the finished result. It's provided functional space, which is exactly what we needed. And the build quality of the IKEA PAX system really isn't too bad considering the price. It did take us a bit of time trying to work out exactly what configuration we wanted, but using the PAX planner it really was quite easy. But obviously it did take a while to work out exactly how we were going to use the space. The whole IKEA PAX system that we went for in this configuration cost about £600, and honestly for the price I think it's really good value. If you were to build something from scratch and buy all the materials yourself, I think you'd struggle to get something for under this. And obviously if you're paying a professional carpenter it's going to cost you more. But I think this is a great middle ground because it's quite affordable and really provides a functional system. But what you're all probably waiting to hear is how did I get this for free? Well, it wasn't through any dodgy or backhanded deals, and it wasn't through any affiliate programs or anything like that. It was purely just from taking advantage of the 0% financing that IKEA offer. And effectively, rather than parting with the cash up front to pay for the wardrobes, investing it elsewhere instead. And because of how I invested it, I've actually managed to double that money, which effectively means this whole system has cost us nothing out of pocket. Now, I'm not going to pretend that there wasn't a little bit of luck involved with this, because we purchased this wardrobe about 2 months ago in mid-February, and it's not normal that you'd be able to double an investment within 2 months. The investment I put this money into was a company called MicroStrategy, which is basically a US software company whose operations give you exposure to the price of Bitcoin. And price exposure to Bitcoin is what I was looking for. So if we look at this Google Finance chart, you can see the day that we purchased the wardrobes and the price of MicroStrategy shares, which is when I bought them, and the current price today, and it has gone up 100%. I'm not going to go into it too much in this video, but I think Bitcoin is the best store of value and the best way to protect your savings against inflation. But even if you're not interested in Bitcoin or even investing, you can still use this same strategy to make some money. During this high inflation environment that we're living in, anytime you see 0% finance as an option, it's actually a really good opportunity. Because if you hold off from making the purchase, the chances are, due to inflation, if you wait a few months, that product will probably have gone up in price. So if you can take advantage of the 0% finance, buy it then for the lower price, and then finance it for free, you're going to be saving a little bit of money compared to if you waited and bought it later. But what you can do if you have the funds available to make this even better for yourself is basically put that money aside into a savings account whilst financing the product that you're purchasing. Because you're going to get that low price today that won't be inflated in the future if you waited to purchase, and the savings that you put aside will also be earning interest, making you some money. So even once you finish paying off your 0% finance, you'll still have the interest left over as profit. And basically all I've done is taken this a step further by investing into high growth assets and have confidence that they're going to increase in value faster than the rate of inflation. And IKEA offer a range of really great 0% financing schemes up to £15,000. Now obviously when financing something, you should never be purchasing because you don't actually have the money to pay for it. It's more just something that you can take advantage of to help with your cash flow. If you end up being too stretched and miss a payment, you could be charged huge interest and late payment fees. So in the end, it's not going to be beneficial to you. But if used in the right way, 0% financing can be so useful. But with all that being said, that covers everything for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you did enjoy the video, please do me a favor and smash that like button down below. Let me know what you think of the wardrobes and 0% financing down below in the comments. And if you're new around here, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date with all of my latest content. If you do want to learn more about Bitcoin though, I'll leave a link on screen now to my video breaking down all of the basics if you're new to the asset. But with that being said, take it easy and enjoy the rest of your day.